Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to retrieve deleted messages on Telegram using an app. Let's get started. Before we start, there is something very important you must know. Once message is deleted on Telegram, it's usually gone forever. Telegram does not have a recycle bin or restore button. Now let's go through what is possible and what is not. If you or the other person tap delete for me and delete for everyone, then the message cannot be recovered. This is how Telegram works to protect privacy. If the message was deleted only from your phone, try this. Check if the message still exists on another device like Telegram Wave or Telegram on another phone. If it's still there, the message may reappear once the app syncs. If the message was deleted quickly, you might still see a part of it in your iPhone notification history or on your lock screen if notifications were enabled. This works only if you have cleared not the notification. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you have forwarded the message, save it in saved message or take a screenshot. Then you can still access it. Uninstalling and installing Telegram does not work. Updating the app or restarting the phone or using third-party recovery app cannot recover deleted Telegram message. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.